That's fine.
We're talking about who's the best competitor for being annoying, Dion or Ravi.
I think we'll have to speak a little louder. So
No.
something
No,
like this.
different can use different.
No, I can.
tones.
So I'll speak like this.
Yeah.
Dion also copy it.
Okay. okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Copy?
You're not awesome anymore.
Someone speaks softly.
Still louder.
Someone speaks softly.
Okay, I'll speak like this.
Oh,
Let's
so
Gotta
this
be
is
loud.
you're already recording
Yeah.
right now.
Alright, but
Yes.
don't talk over each other because.
Okay.
Okay.
Totally.
So let's start with the basic. Hi, my name's Ravi. I'm from SY Psychology.
Hi, I'm Leanne and I've been sober since I've been born.
Hi, I'm Siddharth and I'm a potato.
Really?
Damn.
Someone say it louder.
Dion.
Yeah, say it louder. I'm speechless. Yeah, that works. Someone say that. His voice was.
I'm Johan.
And
Yeah, I got a hand too.
I'm Anisa.
I'm Madash and I'm five years sober.
4.
5 years.
5 years.
Yeah, that's good.
So wait, we're talking about soberness.
oh wait, I didn't
Sobriety, sobriety. We're talking about sobriety.
Sobriety. Okay. Yeah.
You're supposed to be
Right.
So guys, so let's welcome Nathan to the table.
Oh
everyone.
no.
Maybe I didn't clap.
Narcotics.
Wait, there's no place for Nathan.
Narcotics anonymous. Yeah,
Push, push, push.
Johan, just go.
I am not going to move. Sorry. Oh shit. You want more?
Hi, I'm
You want
Nathan.
more?
Okay. Guys, everyone, this is Nathan. He's
Oh
nice.
no.
It's first day here.
Yeah, if you want to exploit someone in the department, that's the guy.
And I'm very glad
If you want to
accepted.
beat up someone in the department, you would talk.
Okay, I have a topic for all of you.
Oh.
You are all superheroes whose powers have gone out of fashion.
Oh.
Okay.
You're supposed to grab princess.
I had a super mustache, but then people just stopped liking it. I mean, I
What
should
was
just
the power?
look at people and
You
they were
know.
like, that's the guy. But now,
What was the purpose of
go
the
on,
mustache?
just go on.
What did it do?
Creepy.
Wait. First of all, were you ever useful?
Yeah, super mustache, man. It's
Creep people
famous.
out of like doing crime. He creep people out of doing crime, right?
Exactly.
Their face, yeah.
1920s. That was my time. What about you, Anisa?
What's
See the
your
power of making mistakes. Oh shit!
Oh my gosh!
Okay, no inside jokes.
You want to do everything?
No, not that I want to know this, but your audience should also know this.
That's just the camera.
I'm formal,
guys.
guys.
You're obviously not going to say that on camera.
My power, I have this power of talking to dogs
Yeah.
and cats, and I understand what they say back.
But now the new technology where they can talk directly to us.
Yes.
You're of no use.
Yeah.
dogs don't like her now?
So,
Excuse me?
so your vocabulary was meow and bow wow. So even I know. Okay, yeah. Aul, right? There's a wolf that
They call you Siddharth, right?
Yeah, they call me Siddharth.
How do you know subtitles, huh?
Yeah.
So they just appear from
Yeah,
thin
just
air.
go like Siddharth. This is go like, I'm on food. I'm on food.
Now it
I'm
makes
on
sense.
Does the accent is
Exactly.
what? I'm
Yeah,
awful?
I want food.
I want
That there's an accent, it doesn't come on. And Shushini talks in Konkani, so. This one speaks
That's
in
a cat.
English. That's a cat.
It's a cat. Her original name is Whiskey, by the way.
Yeah.
But
Black and
currently-
white.
Okay.
Fully black.
So now you continue the conversation, but you take it a couple of notches in the formal discussion.
Okay.
It's a formal conversation. Same topic.
Okay, you know, earlier, so as you all know, I'm immortal, so I've been doing this for a very long time. So earlier I was called Creep Woman, and I used to go around, you know, taking pictures of people everywhere, following them, stalking them.
Wow.
But now, since the establishment of the right to privacy, I'm out of my job. But doing.
What?
No,
Yeah, the laughter can happen. The dialogue. Let it off. Dialogue's formal.
Yeah.
So yeah, I hope you all can sympathize, empathize with me.
Here.
But then you did find out Nathan's grandmother's middle name.
So,
And no
That he was
one
not
else
supposed-
knew that.
He was
So
not
yeah.
supposed to know that.
damn it.
but still your power is still of some use then.
He's taken off some sleep because of that, I guess. Yeah.
Explains the dark circles.
Okay, go around. Who are the other superheroes?
Superpowers.
Adarsh,
I
the
can't
color
think of
black
a superpower.
strikes you.
Yeah.
What
Ah,
happened to that?
whenever the color black strikes me, I had the power of becoming
But
invisible.
can you see it happening? Because I heard
Becoming
you can't
invisible.
see black. Yeah. Oh.
Becoming invisible.
Yeah.
Then
What about daylight?
But then people started catching me in their houses. Boy, they called me a boy.
Yeah, that is exactly why I stopped working with him.
Can't think of one right now.
Johan.
Probably unlimited access, drinking of caffeine.
Maybe that's a superpower. You can't remember anything.
Forgetfulness.
Let me tell you another talk.
Johan, what's your superpower?
You can tell him the same joke twice.
I also have another superpower of talking a lot.
Okay, stop showing
But-
off.
I thought it was out of date, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so tell us more about this.
Oh, look, it's lost shot of speech now. Huh?
Because,
My God.
no, it's okay.
Oh my god.
Oh,
no.
you lost your power.
Yes, I've lost my power, exactly.
Yeah.
That's the topic.
But it's
Out of fashion.
Out of fashion.
Okay, last 30 seconds for you to wind up. Whoever's
Come on,
Yeah,
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 yeah.
Okay, so I had mine was the power of annoyance, but now that anxiety and everything is like rising up on the rise, everyone's just
I'm still
constantly
feeling this annoyance
annoyed.
towards you. Does it count?
Stop fine.
Oh, you got it
Johan,
back.
come up with some fun.
Getting it back.
Oh.
Okay. Johan, what's it?
Yeah, so I'm the pun master.
Okay. Are you annoyed yet? Okay. but then he found out it's not 1975. So
Yeah.
he found out the
Bias against puns, man.
Yeah.
So now it's just Johan, shut up.
Yeah.
So this is my punishment. Oh.